Hi everyone and welcome back to PrepFusion. I'm Anish and today we have got Sourodip Ghosh with us. So he has got great marks on GATE 2025 EE examination. So let's get to know more about Sourodip and about his GATE journey.
Mhm. So I am Sourodip Ghosh. I am final year student of Jadavpur University, and currently I am pursuing my electrical engineering degree.
Okay. So yeah, you got around, I think you got roughly around 66 marks on GATE 2025 examination. So briefly you can start off like when did you first thought of writing the GATE examination, and did you like appeared for GATE examination in your third year? And then what was your preparation strategy? We will start with that.
Yes, I have. I have been preparing for. I have in the third year I sat for the GATE exam, so I got 41 marks. So then I started preparing for the placement season. So in the fourth year, so the placements, and I got the after I got the placement, then I start preparing for the GATE for 2025. So I almost started preparation for around August or September from this time.
Okay, so previously you had prepared, but then again you stopped preparation for placement, and then again you restarted from August. That is what you're telling,
Yes,
huh?
yes.
Okay. So like whatever you had prepared previously, those notes, all those things were with you, or like you like started from scratch again.
No, no. I have revised for the previous notes first, and then I have seen some crash courses, or if I have some we are having some glitch in the concepts, then I have seen some full paid courses also, full
Okay,
courses, not
okay,
paid
okay,
courses, YouTube full free courses.
okay. So Saurodip, did you make any short notes, or you just made full notes with watching the lectures?
No, I have made full notes of some subjects such as signals, control, analog, digital, power electronics, and I have made them some from
Okay,
formula division. So I have written all the formulas in sheets. So for revision, not
okay,
the before
okay.
the gate, I have only gone through the formulas.
Okay, so basically you did not have any short notes kind of thing, but you had something like formula notes, which you like
Yes,
used to revise daily and
yes.
then do revision. So when did you finish? Like you started from August, so it was actually very late. So how many subjects were covered previously, and were you able to cover all the subjects before the gate exam, or you left out few subjects?
No, I actually I have gone through I have some problem in facing in machine and power system this type of subject. So except machine and power system, I have done every subject. So in power system also, I have completed the whole syllabus. In machine, I have left synchronous machine part. So from synchronous machine, I
Okay,
have seen that there is not much question in the gate. So I have left that synchronous machine part, and I have done other parts.
okay, okay. But other subjects like measurement and EMFT,
Yeah,
those things you
I
covered,
have
or like.
done. Yes, I have covered all the subjects.
Okay, okay, but synchronous you slept out. Okay, so like, how did you used to revise, and when you used to like practice, like how you used to practice questions? Like, did you just practice the gate PYQs, or you had some other resources as well through which you used to practice questions?
No, no, I have practiced the gate PIQs, all the gate on PIQs, full PIQs of almost all the subjects.
Okay, and you did not follow any other like extra practice questions, just PYQs and test series, I guess, are the only
Yes,
practice resources.
yes, yes.
Okay. So like so how did you used to finish a subject? Like did you used to finish the whole subject like network theory, you finished whole subject, then you used to attempt the PYQs, or you used to finish a chapter, then you
No,
used to
no.
attempt the PYQs and test series?
I finished the chapter, then the PIQs, and then if there is some topic-wise test, so then I used to get those tests.
So how you used to divide your time basically? So you had a learning time, you used to learn the chapter, then you used to then you had like practice questions, then you had test series. So how you used to divide your time basically? And how did you study two subjects in parallel, or it was like only one subject you used to study wholly in a like
Yes,
simultaneous way?
I used to study 3 4 subjects parallelly. So studying one
Okay.
subject, I feel I'm bored. So I used to study
Okay.
3 4 subjects parallelly.
Okay. So 3 4 is like a lot. Generally, we recommend two subjects parallel is a good way to go. But how you should study three subjects in parallel? Like it's very difficult, right? How you used to get the time
Uh,
because you have your college
uh,
as well. So
Yes, yes, I have college, but when I am at home, I used to divide my times in 4 slots. So from morning to 9 to 12, 3 hours, 9 to 12 and 12:30, then 2 through 5:30. I have divided this some 3.5 hours in four slots. So in each slots, I used to study four subjects.
Okay, okay, okay. So you used to divide your day in four slots, and in each slot, okay, you used to study four subjects. Okay. So like then like you actually you followed mainly crash courses, so that's why I think you are
Yes.
able to finish the subjects in a much quicker manner. So when did you started giving the full length test series? And in which like did
This
you bought two test series? Like how many test series you bought, and how many full length test series you attempted before the gate examination?
I have bought a Medici test series, but mainly I have given the mainly the part test or mainly the subject wise test or chapter wise test. So if from Medici, I have given two or three full mock tests, or in and there is a exam in exam those there is some free mock test. So I have given two from there. I have total given 8 or 9 mock tests, full length mock test,
Okay,
and
full
other
length 8 or 9.
yes, and other
Okay,
some
so
part
how?
test or
Okay, so mainly I think you focused on part test, but you gave mock test less. So what were the marks in your mock test, and what was your like attempting strategy? Like, did you used to attempt the aptitude first, or did you used to attempt like the technical subject first? What was your attempt strategy?
no, no, I usually go serial wise. So at first aptitude, then a technical.
Okay, okay, okay. And like, what were the marks generally? If you remember, like, if you are able to remember, what were the
Mm,
marks that you were getting in your test series mock test?
First in first one or
Like,
two tests, I used to get around 40 to 50. Then 60 to then
okay,
it has, but I have never crossed. Actually 60 to 70 is the main barrier. So 70 up, I have got only one. So mainly 60 to
okay.
70s.
60 to 70. Okay, 60 to 70 is actually good, and that is what you actually got in an ultimate exam as well. So
Yes.
yeah, that's actually good. Like whatever you were getting there, you had replicated there. Okay. So and what was your like strategy to like remove the silly mistakes? So you used to make many silly mistakes, or like very less silly mistakes you used to make? Like,
So I used to practice as much as PIQs, or I have done some PIQs twice or thrice. So I that's the way.
oh, okay. So more and more practice will basically help in reducing the silly mistakes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so that was your like journey basically. So, so what you felt after coming out of the examination hall? Like, what was your thinking? Like, will I get 66 marks, or like how your exam went? Like, did you had anything in mind after the examination?
Yes, after the examination, I realized that it will be a high scoring paper. So, but yes, I have attempted 53 questions probably. Yes, 53 questions. So,
Okay,
yes, generally do silly mistakes, but not in that manner. So, yes, in the exam also, I have done 3, 4 very basic silly mistakes.
okay, but three
So,
for everyone do everyone does three for mistakes. So that is like that is okay. I mean that happens that you cannot ignore. Like, you move. Okay, okay. So, like, and how has PrepFusion helped you in your gate journey? You can briefly talk about like how we have helped you.
so yeah, I have seen the control system lectures in YouTube on the PrepFusion. It was a very good.
Okay,
It was very helpful for me because I have some glitches in the concept in the control system, especially in the observability and controllability part. So it was very helpful for me. And then
yeah,
I have
yeah,
also watched the analog electronics lectures from the PrepFusion, and also for the
okay,
placement I have also seen some lectures from the PrepFusion from the
okay,
network
okay,
analysis also.
okay. Yeah, we're preparing for okay, okay, placement. Okay, so yeah, that's it basically from our end. Any parting words if you want to say to the future aspirants? Any suggestions, best suggestions if you want to give, you can give to them.
So if you want to, I will say that if you want to sit for the gate exam, so start preparing as early as possible. So finally, it will everyone will realize that the time is less. So how many time for how many months he or she is preparing. So start as early as you can.
Yeah, because if you start early, then you will get more time to study the concepts, and then obviously, ultimately, in final year, you will be getting a good rank, so you will be
Yes,
able to join anything.
yes.
So yeah, I guess that's it from our end. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the like button, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.
Thank you everyone for watching the video till the end. If you also want to prepare in the same manner with PrepFusion for GATE 2026 and 2027 examination, then you can visit our website and apply the code TITANS15 on all our paid courses and you will get 15% off. The complete information regarding all the courses have been shared in this particular video, which you can check out by clicking on the link that has been posted in the description box. Best of luck to everyone and happy learning.